Hey guys, it's Tara with Teaching on Lemon Lane. This is part 2 of the product tour of the digital Valentines based on figurative language. So, what we're looking at now, after students have clicked on the link in the button, they're going to click on the title of kind of the preview that pops up, and it's going to make a copy of the slides that I'm looking at now. And so, each student will have their own slides that they'll be working within to make their Valentine cards that they'll be inserting into the Valentine boxes of their classmates. So we start off with some fun examples. Again, students are going to be using figurative language to create these Valentine cards. So here's a couple examples that we came up with. So we've got a great pun here. Talk about a good friend. You are the peanut butter to my jelly. You are sweet as candy. It's a great simile there. Some alliteration. And we'll go ahead and jump in. So what we've got here, students will give a brief kind of rundown of what figurative language is. And then as they click on the next slide, you get a definition of what the type of figurative language is. And you also have 2 examples here as to kind of like what they could use or what they could come up with. And then after that slide, before that, they can also use this square to kind of rate their understanding of what a metaphor is or how they feel comfortable with it. So that gives you a great little snapshot. The next thing that we have is this great little template for creating their metaphor Valentine card. Now, you're welcome to use the template that I've designed, or you can go ahead and completely create your own and customize your own. So if we were to use my template, you would just single click, replace image, search the web, and let's do pizza. And here's a great picture. I double click it or I single click and hit replace. And we could say, you are extra cheese on a pizza. We type our name there, and then I can also change the color of this Valentine by clicking it. And we'll go ahead and make that one orange. We can change the font. I can also add more stickers. So I would single click and I drag it, hold the shift button, and I make it bigger. And now I've got a fun little Valentine card that's based on a metaphor. So students will essentially follow the same pattern as they work on the simile. There's my template. I'll zoom out so you can see all of the different options there as far as the stickers go. The instructions are right here, and here is the template, and then of course all these stickers here. These objects are those picture placeholders, which allow you to select, replace image. They can either upload a picture from their device or search the web like I did using a Google search, and once you put it in there, it'll automatically size it to that shape, so that's really cool. We've got alliteration, hyperboles. Let me zoom in so you can see that all the way. And what's great about these is once they save these as an image, they're going to be scaled to the Valentine box, so they're not going to have to size them down or anything like that. So we've got them scaled already. Idioms, onomatopoeias, personification. My favorite is the puns because there are so many good ones for Valentine's Day. Oxymoron, again, you've got your 2 examples as well as a brief definition. Illusion, and I think illusion is the last one. So students will do that, and then what they're going to do is they're going to save their Valentine cards as an image. And we go over this in the tech skills. In order to do this, you'll come up here to File, Download, and save as a PNG. And then what they do is they'll go back to the Valentine boxes of their classmates, and they will go Insert, Image, Upload from the computer. They'll go to Downloads, they'll find their Valentine, and they'll insert it in there. And I just did that, and they'll use that card to put it in the box of the Valentine box, and it'll actually go behind it, and it just is so fun. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about this. Thanks, guys.